Hello students, welcome to the 9th class where English has been taught as a third language. Today we are going to learn the appreciation of the poem Walk a Little Slower, Unit 1.1. Students, we are going to follow 5 steps for the appreciation. See the points for appreciation. Point 1, title of the poem. Point 2, poet of the poem. Point 3, rhyme scheme of the poem. Point 4, figure of speech which occurs in the poem. And last, that is fifth point, central idea or theme of the poem. Now we will learn the appreciation of the poem. See the first point, title. How to write this? The title of the poem is Walk a Little Slower. Now see the second point, that is poet. We don't know the poet, so the poet is unknown. See the third point, that is rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the poem for all stanzas is A, B, C, B. For the explanation of this, we will see the first stanza of the poem. See the last word of each line, daddy, small, footsteps and fall. See, there are two words, small and fall, which are rhyme with each other. But daddy and footsteps are not rhyme with each other. So, see how to give letter for that. See the word daddy, we will give it small a. Daddy, another word is small, that is, we will give it small b, as they are not rhyme with each other. See the third word, that is footsteps, we will give it small c, and fall is rhyme with small, so same number, same letter we are going to give, that is small b. Now see the figure of speech which occurs in the poem. There are two figures of speech which occurs in the poem. First one is alliteration, that is repetition of sound, म्हणजे स्वरांची पुनरावृत्ती. त्याला मराठीमध्ये अनुप्रास अलंकार असेही म्हणतात. The good example of that is said a little child so small. Here S sound is repeated again and again. So here is the good example of alliteration. Now see the second word, metaphor, म्हणजे रूपक अलंकार. The good example of that is so walk a little slower daddy. Here walk word is refer with not only action of walking but also living and learning with the daddy. Now see the last point, that is theme or central idea of the poem. In this poem, importance of father as a role model is explained in simple language. The child in the poem wants to observe and follow the life led by his or her father. The child requests the father to be more considerate towards his or her needs. If you like the video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.